I'm gonna show you how to find and delete your search history in Amazon. So to get started, you have to open any browser that you like, and then from there you have to search on amazon.com, or you can just use the application. It's still the same. So from there, going to the homepage of Amazon, you will now see the search box, or as you can see here, it says search Amazon. So all you have to do is just click here, and once you click on it, it will show you the history right here. From here, plane, the box, dumbbell set, or speaker. So this is your history of searches. So how to delete this one is all you have to do is just press X here on the right side of it. And unfortunately, there's no easy way to delete history or to clear search history. You will just have to do it manually. So there you go. That's how you find and delete search history in Amazon.